Hi guys, I am Aarsh from Creative Technology and today I will show you how to open WhatsApp in computer. If you like our video, please subscribe our channel and don't forget to press the bell icon. Hi guys, now I will show you how to open WhatsApp web in Google Chrome. First click on Google Chrome icon, right click on it and open. Now in search box you will write WhatsApp web. See, from Google search WhatsApp web, click on it and in web.whatsapp.com WhatsApp web, click on it and you will get a page appeared here and scan this QR code. It is necessary to open your WhatsApp from phone to computer by this. Now I will show you that. Now I will show you how to scan the QR code from phone. First step, we have to click on the WhatsApp button. When we will go in the WhatsApp, you have to click on the three dot button. When you will reach here, WhatsApp web option is there. First you have to click on the WhatsApp web button and here you can scan the QR.